This hardwood and flooring removal tool looks convenient to use. Gutster Demo Bar allows you to handle different tasks all in one tool, such as restoration, flooring, decking, and other demolition projects. The tool comes with spear points, forks designed to straddle, nail puller at the back of the head, and wheels to roll across the floor. It can function as a pry bar, demo bar, pallet buster, and wrecking bar, and allows the user to maintain an almost upright posture while working. Both contractors and homeowners can benefit from using Gutster Demo Bar, which reportedly cuts the time normally required for demolition projects in half.